Yes, my lord. Mr. Varanghaka has requested me to make an adjournment on behalf of him. He seems to have some personal difficulties, my lord.
Okay, and on the prayer made on behalf of Mr. Varanghaka, learned counsel for the appellants. What about the other side? Have you informed?
Yes, my lord. We have already taken the consent.
And not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Orders, item 7.
Yes.
Lordship, I have received instructions from the department, Your Lordship, yesterday evening. Then I'll be filing that written objection within 2 weeks, within 2 days, Your Lordship.
Yes.
We have no objection, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, learned counsel for the respondent, submits that he has received instructions and prays for 2 days' time to file objection to the bail application. In view of above, list the matter again in the next week.
Next week, Lordship.
Item 8.
My lord, leading counsel is indisposed of, so the matter may be taken up later.
Who is the leading counsel?
Jonathan Lalrin Luanga.
When do you want?
After
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes, my lord.
Mr. Ram Murmu, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that he is led by Mr. Jonathan Nalrin Tluanga, learned counsel, in the matter. But as he is indisposed, he prays that the matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
That's it.
Item 9.
This is an appeal from jail. Stop the LCR requisition has been duly received. Stop office to prepare the paper book and list the case for orders once the paper book is ready. Stop court may consider appointing an amicus curiae on the next court date.
Item 1.
Yes.
May I please your lordship?
You have come, Mr.
Thakur, A. Thakur.
You're Mr. Thakur. You had some operation last time.
Yes, major operation.
You're better now?
I'm feeling better. I will have to
Okay.
take rest for another 2 months.
Okay. So, where is your other friend, opposite party?
No, he telephoned me that he will be coming yesterday, but I have not seen him.
He's joining by VC. Shall we pass it over for some time? If you can just have a word with him. Pass over for the time being.
Item 2.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Benjamin Laltamuna. He's on medical leave and he's outstation, so this matter will be taken up after 2 weeks. For respondent number 1 to 3.
Respondent number
1 to 3.
1 to 3. Who is for respondent number 5?
I'm representing respondent number 5.
5. Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, my lord, it's done.
Okay. So the pleadings are complete otherwise, is it?
Lordship, we have sought for some time for filing of reply affidavit in respect of the affidavit of the respondent number 5. Inadvertently, we have not filed it. Lordship, however, submissions made in the affidavit are in the nature of legal submissions, not so much of the factual matters. If a Lordship finds it appropriate to adjourn it, we have no objection. Even if it is to be taken up, Lordship, there's no problem.
So are you going to file the rejoinder affidavit or not?
Yeah, if time is granted to us, we'll file it. I've sought for time on a number of occasions.
Okay, so how much? 2 weeks time? Or what?
1 week,
A
one week
week.
will be sufficient.
And when is the government advocate coming back? He's unwell. Government advocate is unwell,
He
Mr.
went to
Benjamin.
Guwahati for checkup
When is he coming back?
next week.
Next week. Okay, as paid for by Mr. Sheila Ramzao, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner. A week's time is granted for filing rejoinder affidavit against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5. What about the others? Your correspondent number? 4. Okay, rejoinder also filed, isn't it?
Yes.
Then there's another affidavit by state respondents. Okay, list again after a week.
Obliged.
Item 3.
My lord, in this item, I have taken the consent of the other side, and can the matter be fixed on Monday? Because, my lord, I have a fixed item in the division bench, which is due for today.
Yes, and who's appearing for the other side?
Your Lordship, Mrs. Linda, and she's indisposed at the moment, Your Lordship.
Indisposed.
Yes, Your Lordship, she is not here in the court, Your Lordship.
She has consented, my lord, to fixing the matter on Monday, if lordship permits.
What is the matter regarding?
It's a claim for compassionate allowances and encashment of unutilized earned leave
Okay.
by a convict.
It was listed last time also, isn't it? We had
Yes, my lord.
somehow gone through. Why was it adjourned?
To have some citations, and time was granted for a few preparation, my lord.
Okay, as paid for by the parties, list the matter again on 28 April.
My lord, I'm obliged.
Obliged.
Item 4.
My lord, in this, my senior Mr. Lefagoma, his son has been hospitalized, so if the matter can be fixed next week or after a week,
Okay,
any day, my lord.
I believe his son is in the hospital.
Yes, my lord.
So after a week then,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Lal Fakoma, Learned Counsel for the review petitioner, is said to have some personal difficulties, and therefore, or a prayer made on his, and therefore a prayer for adjournment has been made on his behalf. Stop. The said prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the other side, and accordingly, let the matter be listed again after a week.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Yes.
My lord, if I may have your lordship attention, stating that this matter is infructuous, my lord,
Why?
because the imprisonment, the sentence, the convict, the judgment and sentence was passed on 25/1/2024 and was sentenced for rigorous imprisonment for 1 year, my lord. The 1 year has passed on January this year, my lord. So the case has become infructuous. However, upon perusal of the documents, my lord, I find that there might be merit in the appeal if the court deem fits and proper. Your lordship may kindly pass order accordingly.
Your
Was
Lordship,
was he on bail or he was in imprisonment?
Your Lordship,
He was imprisoned, my lord.
in this case, Miss Mary has been handling the case and she's appearing in the other courtroom in the division bench, Your Lordship. So if the matter may be taken up on another day, Your Lordship.
Okay, sentence is for 1 year.
Yes, my lord. It has
And,
been
he has
completed.
already served that
Yes,
sentence.
my lord.
Now,
Completed.
now in such circumstance, what is to be done? Can we say it's infructuous? How old is the appellant? Please go through the thing and address this court on that issue.
My lord.
Now, supposing I'm saying,
Yes, my lord.
like supposing the appellant is a young man
Yes, my lord.
and he's a government servant.
Yes, my lord.
He has been convicted and sentenced for 1 year.
My lord.
Then later on, then he has served the 1 year. Now, he's being convicted, he's debarred for being employed throughout his life.
My lord.
Now, supposing he wants to join the service again, the hurdle will be the conviction order.
Yes, my lord.
If
Understood.
it is interfered with, then despite the fact that he may have served 1 year already, if the conviction is interfered with, then he might have the opportunity to join back to his service like that.
If I'm not mistaken, my lord, the convict is 42 years old.
I'm just giving an illustration.
Yes, my lord.
It may not be that case, but the thing is that in such a situation, can we just close the matter saying that it's infructuous? Or should we go into the appeal and take a decision? Just have a look at that. At the outset, Ms. Valentina Galdinpui, learned amicus curiae, submits that the appellant has already served the term of imprisonment imposed upon him, which was for a period of 1 year only. Stop. In such circumstance, the question would be as to whether the appeal should be considered as infructuous or whether court should proceed on hearing the appeal on merit, despite the appellant having already served the term of sentence imposed upon him. Stop. The learned counsels for the parties should address the court on this issue by the next date. List again when?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. He's on legs today, but she's on legs today, but she'll be on legs for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I believe she's appearing in the DB via video conference, Your Lordship.
All right, no, that is today only, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So why should we adjourn it for 2 weeks? Let the parties prepare, and we'll have it on 1st of May,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Thursday. Okay.
My lord.
Just go through the provision. What should be done in such a case?
My lord.
If it is to be closed, we'll close it. If it is to be heard, we'll hear it.
My lord.
All right.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Item 6.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Sitlan Tianglima. He's on legs in courtroom number 1.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state, and as per the last, when the matter was last listed, the court had asked for the latest update on the Direct Selling Monitoring Authority Guidelines 2024. And as per my instructions of yesterday, I've been told that the guidelines, the draft guidelines have been duly vetted by the financial department and also by the LNJ department. And the department, the concerned department will issue a notification soon, Your Lordship. So if I may be granted 3 weeks time to file the notification in the form of affidavit before the court, Your Lordship.
You take 2 weeks' time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If some more is required, we'll grant you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As of now, you take 2 weeks' time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ms. Lal Nunhlui, learned government advocate, submits that as per the instructions he has received, the finance department has already vetted, finance and law department.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The finance and the law department has already vetted the draft rules, and the same is likely to be finalized and notified shortly. Full stop. She therefore prays for 3 weeks' time to file additional affidavit regarding the not required additional affidavit in this regard. Okay. Considering the submission, 2 weeks' time is granted. The state respondent shall file an additional affidavit incorporating the notification, incorporating the notification, publishing the rules concerned, if published in the meantime. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Petition item 1.
Could you inform Mr. Burgoyne?
My lord,
Could you contact Mr. Burgoyne? He's online. I hope he's not online in a different court. Mr. Thakur, you appear for respondent numbers
1 to 6.
1 to 6.
My lord, may I
And the contract was awarded to respondent number 8. 8. Contract was awarded to respondent number 8. Allegation made by them is that no work has been done.
No, that is actually it is our prerogative to inspect it. Now, I'd like to take your lordship to the Annexure 5 of writ petition number 787, page 70, because we have given the work in the 30th of January 2024 or to complete the work within 15 months. Then, yes, that is not a normal contract. It is phase-wise because electrical connection at the international border, Indo-Bangladesh border. So first is that we will have to erect the pillars, then supply of poles, then electrical connection and all. In 4 stages, we have to complete the work. Now, this work is, as I have been informed, almost completed because 15 months elapsed in this month of.
But that you have not stated in your affidavit. In your objection, you have not mentioned about the work being done or almost being completed.
Not
All that you have said is that it is not their prerogative to go and inspect and say that it is not their duty.
Not yet.
And this is not a case for review.
Yes.
This is what you stated.
Yes,
You have not stated that the work is going on and is almost completed.
That
Because it is their allegation that court dismissed the writ petition with the, after being satisfied that
Yes.
work has been done by the party.
yes,
So court should not interfere.
shouldn't be.
Now they say that we have gone to the spot
Yes.
and we found that no work has been done.
what that is, they are not duty, my lord. My respectful submission before lordship that it is for us who have given the contract to the employer that to inspect. Now, after filing the affidavit, it was probably we have filed it in January. Now it is almost 4 months elapsed. We have inspected it. We have seen that almost it is coming to an end. And by month of May, first week, everything will be over.
Why don't you file one small affidavit on that? That what they say is not correct.
Yes.
There are nobody to say this stand, but at the same time, rest assured, work is going on and it's going to be completed within this time. And in that case, there is no question of review, all that.
No.
One short affidavit, give that, because your affidavit is silent.
My lord, we'll give
You are just objecting, say that you don't have any case for review. You're not authorized to raise, you have no locus standi to raise such kind of issue.
Yes.
Only court want to know that whether work is going on or not. That much only.
That is.
You file one short affidavit,
My lord.
and since the other side is not here, we'll post it on some other day, and probably if it's difficult for you to come down again,
That is.
we can have it online. No issue.
My lord, only para 12 of our affidavit, I'd like to take your lordship. Para 12. In last para 12 in the, however, in respect of the work concerned, the area along with Indo-Bangladesh border Mizoram, the said area is totally unapproachable during the months of August and to the end of so and so, and consequently becomes unapproachable. Hence, carrying out the work on the said areas becomes totally impossible in mentioned period. For the very same reason, no work was carried on in the Dampa Tiger Reserve Forest. Nevertheless, milestones have been duly achieved by the respondent 8 in respect of concerned project, and monthly RA bill have been raised by the respondent number 8 for the amount of work done.
Okay.
That is it.
You have made some statements here.
This,
But if you would like to file one short additional affidavit,
my lord,
that will be quite
my lord.
proper. So we'll adjourn this matter.
My lord, only another point, I may be given 2 seconds time. This petition is also, it is hit by the law of limitation. Whatever, how many days it is depending.
Have you raised that point in the
Yes,
objection?
yes,
Okay.
Because it is very strict so far as statutory rule is concerned. It is my affidavit in second para.
There's one judgment rendered by this
Yes,
court,
I have,
division bench.
yes,
I think pertaining to state of Arunachal.
I have 3-4 judgments and another judgments in the, this is the division bench.
What does it
I
say?
have submitted the copies.
Lakshmikant.
That is Lakshmikant Sambhaji.
Have you given the list of books?
Yes, sir. It occurs more. This hit 124 of Limitation Act schedule. 124 it hit.
124.
Yes. Article 124 scheduled. to
Yes,
the
what does it say? Please read.
Sir,
You take that book, that copy from him, and give me the Limitation Act, please. Limitation Act.
because it goes to the root. We are, suppose they have given, it will not raise any objection, but they cannot disrespect, so disrespect to this court. They will have to file an affidavit. This is the reason that for which we couldn't file it on time.
Article 123.
123 schedule.
I think it's 30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
124.
124.
It is a flag mark on my book.
Yes. Review has to be filed within 30 days
Miller.
from the date of degree in order.
It is there delayed by the 8 days or 10 days, whatever it is.
Uh-huh.
But They have not filed a petition before your lordship.
Now, there are certain arguments raised before the court at times, saying that limitation does not strictly apply in review before a writ court. So that argument has been raised before me.
That is. But, my lord, they cannot show disrespect to the court. They will have to file an affidavit or a petition showing the reasons, substantial reasons that for this.
But this is by the High Court only, isn't it?
Yeah.
Any Supreme Court decision in this?
So many decisions they have referred.
Supreme Court decision is there or not?
Yes. You have question? My lord, I am concerned why in the review petition they have said that we have filed a routine limitation. That's a false statement.
Huh?
Why?
Where?
Here in the review petition,
Where
page
the-
number 28. In review petition. itself,
28.
28. Page number 28.
When was the review filed? 4th October
In
2024.
11th October.
Huh?
October.
4th October
4th
2011.
October. 4th October.
And the judgment was rendered on
22nd 8. 22nd 8 2024.
22/8.
2208 2024.
It's more than 30 days, isn't it?
Yes,
It's more than 30 days.
7 days or 8 days. But they will have to take permission from the court. This is the reason. 8 days or 1 day, whatever it is.
Is there any explanation in the review petition
No.
regarding delay?
They wrongfully submitted that we are within the period of limitation in page 28.
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6. This is a false statement, should not be made.
We'll have to counter Mr. Borogohain when he appears. Why have you made this statement? So we'll adjourn it and you file one short affidavit regarding the kind of work you have done.
My lord, my
The
lord.
rest I think you've taken care of in your WO already.
Only my respectful submission that I have argued this case partially. Otherwise, we have some other technical problems on that.
What we'll do is we'll list this matter on a date, any convenient date you would like the matter to be listed.
Any that if your lordship allow me to do it in BC, because I have some unrest period, because
Yes.
taking enough strain, I have traveled
Yes.
respecting the order of this honorable court on March for physical appearance. March given order. 18th of March.
No, not March, May, I think.
Order for physical appearance. Your lordship directed us.
Okay, 18th of March, okay. No, when do you want this matter to be listed again?
Anywhere in May. No? No. First week of May. Can it be deferred to June first week,
June 1st week.
my lord? I have to travel for some checkup in the first week. That it made.
You have to travel in June 1st week.
No, May first week.
May 1st week you have to travel.
Travel to Chennai for checkup.
Okay.
We do not know how much take with time. So, last week of May.
Last week of May?
May.
June will be a bit far away,
May.
isn't it?
May.
How about 22nd of May? 22nd, okay.
Is there a plan of your lordship to travel to Guwahati? No?
Sorry?
Any Guwahati roster?
Roster has not come till now. Roster is available till 8th of May. I'm here till 8th of May.
Then thereafter,
And definitely after that,
hopefully your lordship will be at Guwahati.
I don't know. In any of these outlying benches also, maybe, I don't know. So anyway, wherever it may be, we can try to work out?
We are also mentally disturbed because rough weather is going on over interjudiciary, including the bench in the box. We were.
Please write down. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Mr. A. Thakur, Lordhead Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. J. R. Thakur, appears for the respondent numbers 1 to 6. Stop. As paid for by the Learned Counsel. Learned Senior Counsel, let the matter be listed on 22nd of May 2025. Stop. The parties are also permitted to appear through online if physical appearance is not feasible. Stop. Liberty is also granted to the petitioner to file additional affidavit if so advised. Okay.
On the point of limitation, we have argued it that may kindly be recorded so that,
Not required. Not. You can argue anytime. Limitation, point of law.
no, my lord, for certain reasons, professional reasons, some argument may kindly be noted down so that we can refer it to the parties. Yes.
You want me to record the limitation part?
I cannot,
You want me to record that part?
yes.
The Learned Senior Counsel also submits that in terms of Article
124.
34 of the Limitation Act 1963, a review petition is to be preferred within 30 days from the date of the order. Stop. However, in the instant case, the review petition has been filed beyond 30 days without any application for condonation of delay.
My lord.
Stop. He also submits that the petitioner has also
Stated
made incorrect statement at paragraph number,
20, paragraph 12.
is it 12?
Uh,
Paragraph number 6 of the review petition, that the review petition has been filed within the period of limitation. Stop. Be there as it may, the same will be considered at the appropriate time. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.